Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Waze points are a fun way to track your contributions to the community. You earn them by driving, reporting, and editing the map. They don't have monetary value, but they help you level up and unlock small cosmetics like new avatars, shields, and even crowns. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to earn them points in Waze fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, easy, the classic solution, drive and report. The simplest way to earn points is by using Waze while driving. Complete drive, 5 points per drive, report an alert, 6 points per report, including police, accident, hazard, and many other options. You can even add a voice report, 9 points per report, tap there or not there on an alert, 2 points per tap, confirm gas prices, 8 points per edit, add a photo to a place, 9 points per photo as well. You can even edit the map if needed. Map edits earn you points and help you build your editor rank. Edit the map, 3 points per edit. Add a new street name, 6 points per name. Add house numbers, 1 point per segment. Add a place update, 3 points per detail added, like hours, phone, website, and all of this. As an important note, if you make any changes before saving, you will only receive credit for up to 150 points per save. Save more often to maximize your points. Then participate in the community as well. You can also earn points by engaging with the Waze community, like adding photos, updates, forum posts, and all of this. And that's the video idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.